Hi, I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation. Today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about the installation procedure on the Caboose tiny wood stove. This stove is UL rated, so we have clearance to combustibles 16 inches on this end to a wall or a corner, 16 inches on this end to a wall or a corner, and then on the back, if you mount with the wall kit, you don't need anything else on your wall. This has 2 layers of heat shields plus the heat shield that's on the stove. If you want to mount it on the floor, you'll need a R1 approved hearth pad. That's because we've just got 6-inch legs on it here. So you'll have to have a hearth pad. With the wall bracket kit, you don't need anything else on the ground unless you mount this wall bracket down within 12 inches of the floor. Then you'd have to have a hearth pad. You'll start off, your collar has holes already drilled in it for your self-drilling screws to the stainless steel 4-inch pipe. Most people will do a 1 foot or 2 foot out of the top of the stove. And then you'll hook on your Class A 4-inch chimney pipe to go up through the ceiling or out the wall. So if you're going to go up through the ceiling, we've got the steel support box. It's a roof support, or not a roof support, but a ceiling box. And this has a 10-inch opening where your pipe will go down through the center of this and then up through and out on the roof. You can run single wall pipe up to this, or you can transition from the double wall down if you like that look, better. There's a nice trim ring that comes with this that goes up on the ceiling. You'll screw this together, and then it will mount at the angle or the pitch of your ceiling. Then we've got ceiling plates if you're installing in a shed, something that doesn't have any attic space. We've got these that you can mount up on the ceiling, and we've also got ones that are oblong for up to 45 degree, if your ceiling is pitched like this or something. And then you've got your roof boot for outside. You've got your chimney pipe that will come up through there, and your storm collar. This will get sealed around the top, and so anything that comes down off the top of this that would come off of your rain cap, and these just twist and lock, so it's really pretty easy to install. Anything that would come down here, it keeps it from going underneath the roof. You've got metal strips around the edge of this so that you can bend it up and over, raised roof ribs. We've also got metal roof flashings. If you have a composition roof, this is what we recommend to use on composition roofs. And once again, all of this stuff that we're talking about is included in the manual, and the manual is online. There's install procedures for going out through a sidewall. There's install procedures for going straight and up through the ceiling. So if you're going to go out a sidewall, we recommend doing 45. So you would come up off the stove, and then you would 45 like you're going to go through your wall. And you'll place your stovepipe adapter into this elbow, and you'll attach it. Then you'll put your section of pipe onto that where you go through the wall, and outside you'll have your HT pipe, and that will put you back to vertical where you can go up. Now we want to remember that you've got to be at least 2 feet above your roof or more if you're within 10 feet of the peak of the roof. If you've got a really small roof, like a little shed roof, you just need to be out in the open air. All of this Class A pipe is all UL rated, so it's safe. We recommend also having a carbon monoxide detector in your space if you're sleeping in there. And then last but not least, you always want to make sure you have outside combustion air. You've got outside combustion air hook up here that you'll go through the wall with a little 3-inch pipe, and that will bring air into the stove as it's drafting. And that's really highly recommended for a sleeping room. I can't think of anything else. I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation.